Hello everyone, how to Totes back with another new video, and in this video I will guide you how to add tags for your YouTube videos. So it's really simple. After uploading your videos, you need to open your YouTube Studio app. If it's not installed in your device, then you need to install it first from Google Play Store or App Store, and then you need to log in your account and then choose that videos you are going to settings. So simply tap this one and tap here the pencil icon. Okay, and then now we can see the option here, uh, last one, and tap here the add tags. So now you can tap anything and enter, or you can type comma. So this way you can add a comma up to 100. So that's all, you can do it. So today's normal, and see you the next video.